All right guys, it's How To Tuesday, and right now I'm gonna teach you the importance of a hot pan. There's 3 ways to know that our pan is hot enough. One is that the oil flows like water, all right? I have a plate right here. I'm gonna take and put some oil on there and do this. The oil is flowing like oil. Set that down, then we'll take this pan, which I've preheated to about 350. I'm gonna tilt it sideways, and the oil flows like water, right? See how much faster it flows? All right, you can pass it around. If it's flowing like water, you should be good to go. And that's just an indicator that your pan is hot enough. Another way is to listen to some food, right? I'm gonna season up these shrimp over here, salt and pepper. We're gonna set them in our pan, and we hear it, right? We got noise, good sizzle going. That's way number 2. And then number 3 would be the smoke point, where smoke starts rising off the surface of the oil. We want to be careful there so that we're not overheating it to the flash point where it bursts on fire. And it will also break down past the smoke point. But we're just going for a range between 350 and 400 degrees. Get one of these, watch for oil that flows like water, listen to your food, and you'll be set up for success. I'm Paleo Nick, this has been How To Tuesday, and we'll see you next week.